Hey, what's up, guys? This is the Kchi 4-leaf clover anti-slip feet. They're made out of silicone, and the purpose of them is that they're designed to be used with your cutting boards, so you can put them right under the corners and keep it from sliding when you're cutting or doing whatever you do with cutting boards. So you can see on the back they have really they're pretty deep silicone grooves in there to make them hold on tight to your countertop surface. So basically, obviously there's four of them, and they're designed to go just right on the corner, on each corner of your cutting board, and you just set them in and position them in place, and they just do a really good job at keeping your cutting board from moving when you're cutting. They are really flexible, and they are dishwasher safe, so when you finish using them, don't be afraid to just throw them in the dishwasher to get them clean. So they are pretty thick silicone. Not really worried about them like tearing or breaking. They seem like they'll last a long time through a lot of uses. So yeah, definitely a good product for anybody who has cutting boards that don't have like a built-in silicone grip or something like that already attached to them. Just a really nice accessory to go along with your cutting boards.